AOSION is a 11-inch non-stick pan for crepes, salmon, steak. We're going to be cooking lox and more. So if you're looking for a pan, and what we're going to do is open up the product and show you what it's about. As we open up the Dosa, Tawa ceramic pan, protected and assembly will be required. We have a nice wide spatula. It's got a rubbery grip so it non-slip on the device. It's machine washable, soft at the tip, solid in the middle. We have some wooden stakes, planks, rubber rings, and the handle. Nice and strong, nicely designed as seen. And information on how to use and set up. Setting up is as easy as placing on the handle, placing in the screw, and under a minute's time to lock down. And put together. It is a nice 11-inch pan, ceramic coating for induction electric gas dishwasher safe. On the bottom, the radiated heat areas. A close-up look. For first time use, wash. As you can see the coating, how water simply runs off. For the top of the stove, crepes, tortillas, pancakes, eggs, salmon, steak, and more. 2 egg rings, pancake spreader, little shovel. The kit fully enclosed with a cool handle grip. Your eggs. Non-stick pan.